If you're seeing a Gamma app authentication error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. This usually happens when Gamma is trying to sign you in with a different method than the one you originally used, or when your browser has a stuck session, corrupted cookies, or even a VPN issue blocking the login process. The good news is that most of these problems are very easy to fix, and you can usually get back into your account in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step guides. Now let's jump into the first fix. First, make sure you are using the exact same login method you used when you first created your Gamma account. If you registered with Continue with Google, then you must click Continue with Google again. If you registered with Continue with Microsoft, you need to use Continue with Microsoft again. This matters because Gamma connects your account to that specific sign-in provider. And switching methods can trigger an authentication error even if you're using the same email address. So before you try anything else, go back to the login screen and carefully choose the same sign-in option you used during registration. If that still doesn't work, the next best step is to try logging in using an incognito or private window. Open a fresh private browsing window in your browser, then go to Gamma and try signing in again. This is a very useful test because Incognito Mode starts with a clean session and doesn't always load the same saved cookies, cached data, or extensions that your normal browser profile uses. If Gamma works in incognito, that's a strong sign that your main browser session is the problem, not your account. In that case, the issue is usually stored browser data, causing the authentication process to break. Now let's move on to clearing Gamma cookies, which is often the real fix. Open your browser settings and go to your privacy or site data section. Then search specifically for gamma.app. You want to delete all cookies, local storage, and any saved site data associated with Gamma. This resets the login state and removes old session information that may be causing the app to fail when you try to sign in. After clearing the Gamma site data, close the tab completely and open Gamma again in a fresh tab. Try logging in one more time using the same method you originally used. In many cases, this step alone resolves the authentication error because it forces Gamma to create a brand new session from scratch. If you still can't get in, the last thing to check is your VPN. Disconnect your VPN completely and then try signing in again. Some apps can block or flag login attempts coming from certain VPN IP addresses, especially if the location changes too often or looks suspicious. Turning off the VPN removes that extra layer and gives Gamma a normal connection path to verify your login. After disconnecting, refresh the page and test the sign-in again. So to quickly recap, use the exact same login method you registered with, try Incognito Mode, clear Gamma cookies and site data, and disconnect your VPN. Those 4 steps solve most Gamma app authentication errors without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you fix the issue, please like this video and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.